When it comes to cellulite, many of my viewers have told me that one of the biggest pain points is cellulite on their stomach. So today I'm going to show you a method to help you with just that. Now there's two products that I will be using throughout this video. One of them is called Cheeky Cups, which is the silicone cupping contouring kit, and the other one is a cellulite oil, also by Cheeky Cups. I will put the links in the description and in the comments below. Let's go demo it. Now, before we do the cupping process, it's important to heat up your body before you start it. So you could do this by going in the shower, you can have a quick workout, you can even use something called a body brush. I like to do that when I'm not just fresh out of the shower. So this is one of my body brushes. I believe I got it from the FabFitFun. I will try and leave it in the link below if I can find it. It's by Daily Concepts. So all you're gonna do is grab this and you're gonna go in a circular motion on your stomach. You can also start by using your hand and go in circular motions to start. The important thing is to just get the skin warmed up. You'll have better results. Then take the cellulite oil and apply it onto your skin. Use quite a bit as you need the cups to glide easily. You can also use coconut oil or baby oil as well. Then take the cup and push on the top. Place it on the skin to get suction and start gliding. I start at the bottom right and then work my way up, over to the left, and back down. I do this in a clockwise motion. You might find it a little bit hard to glide if you have extra skin, but you can just put your leg behind and make sure you stand really tall, or lie down and pull your skin tighter in order to make it glide easier. Then what I'll do is back and forth motions. I'll go vertically and then horizontally. When I do this on my lower belly, I can feel what I can only describe as little pebbles or gravel. It's bumpy as I glide the cups over. This is fascia stuck, and what I'm doing with the cups will actually pull the skin away from the fascia and the muscle, and it will start to actually diminish. Even just rubbing up and down near my belly button, I can feel how everything just seems stuck. The interesting thing is this is also sometimes where I feel discomfort in my stomach, or where I feel like I'm not digesting properly. Try for yourself and see where it feels stuck for you. For you, it might feel like other areas or even where the love handles or muffin tops are, but you definitely feel as you glide, some areas will be really smooth to move and some will just feel like your finger gets stuck. Then once you're done, just flush it out by doing the circular motions like I'm showing in the video. You want to get rid of all the toxins because you're breaking things loose, so drink lots of water as well. Now here's some bonus tips. If you want some help with the shape around your stomach and your side, like your love handles, then be sure not to wear super tight pants, super tight jeans, or tight underwear, because that will actually create an indent and it'll make your skin look like there's a shelf on it, so we don't want that. So next time you go and put your clothes on, or take a look down just now and see that if it's too tight, and what it's actually doing, it's training your body to form to those tight clothes, and you don't want that. But cupping will also help this because it's going to get that skin and it's going to loosen up, not loosen in the bad way, but loosen up where it's super tight. Over time, you may find that you're losing inches as well. I hope you enjoyed this demo. Are you going to use it? And also, there's going to be more coming your way with different tools, and it's going to be the tools I love to use. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.